Okay, so just to recap, we've got voiceover, we've got narration, we've got theme or central idea, all characteristics that we've noticed so far. You guys are going to go in and notice a few more characteristics, sort of on your own, but with a little bit of my guidance after watching a short documentary. It's this one called Red Bluff. I really like it for two reasons. Number one, I really like true crime. And so it's a little bit of a true crime, a short version of a true crime doc. It's only 6 minutes. And then the second reason I like it is because it was done by a college student who didn't have a lot of resources or fancy cameras or fancy lighting, yet they were able to pull this off. And I think it's a really good example of what you guys could do. It's probably the closest to what I think yours could actually look like at its best, if that makes sense. So it's a really good example for you guys. So before you start watching it, I just really quickly want you to look at the questions and be thinking about what you're looking for. So other than the woman that's actually speaking a lot of the time that they're showing video footage of, name at least two other kinds of visuals the filmmaker uses and think about why they might choose to use those specific visuals. These visuals you're noticing are characteristics of documentary, so you might think about using something similar in your own. And then next, what did you hear? Besides people speaking, obviously, what other things did you hear? Pay special attention to that, and why might they include that? What is the central idea here? We've already talked about it, but I want you to notice it again here. And then number 4, what facts or information does this filmmaker give at the end of the story? And then how does this fact relate to central idea? Facts are often a part of documentaries, so it's another characteristic you're on the lookout for. When you are done with this, you are going to click next and pay very special attention to the next video because it has super important instructions for you. I will see you soon.